Fly Babies, it's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to learn how to finally love yourself. I know I say those things over and over every single time you hear me, but I want them to sink into your head. What does that mean to you to have peace in your life, to have control in your home, to finally love yourself? So I don't take those words lightly, and I hope that you don't take them lightly either. And I hope that you commit to do these daily routines and weekly plans and monthly zone items so that you can too have the things I'm promising you, the things that I have. I want that for you. So here's what we're going to do. Today is Thursday. So we're going to get up before the family and do our morning routine. After we've finished our morning routine, we're going to wake up our children and put them through their morning routine, whatever that means to you. You may have to help if they're tiny. You may have to oversee if they're a little bigger, and you may have to just inspect what you expect if they're older. But it's going to require your attention, your presence, which is why you do your morning routine first. Once you've attended to that, and everyone's had their breakfast, then you're going to do the third part of your morning routine, which would include taking care of your animals, your garden, collecting eggs, whatever it is you need to do this morning. Everybody has something different. Maybe you work out at the gym. Whatever it is that's part of your morning routine, this is when it happens. Now your children are going to go off to school, or they're going to stay home for school, or you don't have kids that go to school, so you have little ones at home, or your children are gone and you have an empty nest. Whatever the situation, we're going to finish our job first. So if you're an at-home lion, okay, if you're an at-home lion or an at-home fly baby, then you're going to do your second layer. You've done your first layer, which is your routine. Oh, also start your laundry and go through an inch of paper. Those are morning routines. They're different morning routines. Then when you're done, you're going, or while the washing is going, then you're going to do your basic weekly plan. What is it today? It's errand day. So you planned it yesterday. Let's go ahead and execute today. Go to the grocery store. Go make all of your deliveries to the charity shop or the Goodwill or whatever. Go buy your stamps or pick your husband's suit up from the dry cleaner or whatever it is that you have to do, and then come home and put your groceries away. And then go to step 3 of your 3-layer cake, which is your zone. We're in the bedroom, the master bedroom. This is your paradise. That's what I want you to think about. This is your private island. This is a place for you and your husband to have a personal retreat away from the family. Just as your children's rooms are for them, this is for you. So keep it that way and make it lovely. So think about getting rid of all the clutter that's in there. Decluttering is not easy because it's emotional, and we don't like to deal with our emotions, but you can because you are a lion. And as a lion, we are living in our new strength. So you're strong, you're living this strength. And so you're going to be able to declutter and make this room a room that you love. It doesn't matter if the whole rest of the world thinks it's awful. If you think it's beautiful, then it's just right. So we're going to work in your room by decluttering for 15 minutes. And then if you've got all your clutter gone, you're just going to pick one thing and clean it. Just one thing. You don't have to do everything, just one thing, right? It might not even take 15 minutes, not even 10, maybe only 5. Maybe since it's such a little thing, you do want to do 2 things and still only spend 10 minutes. It's amazing what you can do when you think about it. All right, so that's what you're doing today. And then later on today, oh, and when you're finished, remember to complete the process. So if you've been decluttering, throw away, put away, give away, let's do that. That's another 5 minutes or so, okay? And then you're done. The next thing you have to do is your after dinner routine and your before bed routines. So let me bring in our working lions, our payroll lions. So lions, you're going to get to work today. You've done all the morning routines with us. You've got, except the laundry and the paper. You can do that when you get home. But you've gone to work. You've done your thing with your control journal. You're doing great. You're keeping those breaks and that lunch hour for yourself. And you're thinking about what's happening at home. Think about the basic weekly plan, especially the weekly home blessing hour. If that's not complete, let's work on it again for 10 more minutes today during the supper preparation, or delegate, my choice, delegate, and then also work in your bedroom for a few minutes. Otherwise, the consequence is you have to do it on the weekend. And if you keep skipping it, then why are you even following this? Because if you're not going to do it, then you're only going to make yourself miserable with guilt. So either stop it altogether and enjoy your clutter, or let's get it done, okay? All right, that's your consequence. Pick one or the other. Your choice, your life. All right, so you are working, and that's a privilege, right? That's a privilege. You have time to yourself during the day to think about what's going on at work. And then today, at home, and also on your lunch hour, let's go ahead and run those errands. You can't buy groceries, but you can order them today. And then when you get home, either have them delivered, or you go pick them up, or you have someone else pick them up, or you do that on Saturday, or whatever you choose. But when you do get them, you have to prep them and put them in the fridge, right? Your cleanish fridge. All right, next thing we're going to do is when you come home, you're going to call your family before you get home. Hey, I'm on my way home. Don't forget, we're going to do a clutter check when I get there, and I've asked you to do X, part of the basic weekly home blessing hour. All right, then when you come home, you're going to go to the bathroom, you're going to check on your kids, you're going to inspect what you expect. You're not going to forget, because they know that and they'll take advantage of that. That's just the nature of the child, and that's normal. Your children aren't awful for that. They're normal for that. So that's why we must inspect what we expect and continue to be firm but kind and have consequences that you enforce. All right, next thing is start your laundry, go through an inch of paper, start supper. Now, what have you got left to do? If you couldn't delegate or chose not to, you're going to do 10 minutes of your basic weekly plan. So far this week, you've done your sheets, you've done the glass, you've done the dusting. So today would be the garbage cans. Empty the garbage cans, a quick little thing. The next thing is the bedroom. So go in your bedroom, master bedroom, and do something for 15 minutes in the declutter field. Or if you've decluttered already, then go in there and do a deep clean, 5-10 minutes. And then you're done. Go back, finish your dinner. Everyone eats dinner. After dinner, we all come together as a family of fly babies, of lions, and we're proud, and we're strong, and we're firm, and we're kind. And we protect our family at all costs, and this is part of your protection of your family, teaching them how to fend for themselves in the real world. Okay, so we're going to clean the kitchen together as a happy family. When that's done, before bed routines. If you tend to really have a problem with your before bed routine, do yours first, then do the kids. If not, flip it around. Your call. All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous day, and always remember that you are beautiful.